Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wanted to take the reins of your financial future? Self-directed investing lets you do just that, putting you in charge of every decision. With Chase, you get a powerful, intuitive platform designed for individual investors who prefer to manage their own portfolios. It's an excellent way to align your investments directly with your personal goals and values, giving you complete control over your money. Choosing the right platform is key, and Chase excels with its user-friendly interface. You'll find everything from detailed research tools to real-time market data right at your fingertips. Plus, with commission-free online trades for stocks and exchange-traded funds, it's a cost-effective way to build your portfolio. It really simplifies the process of making informed decisions. So, what can you actually invest in with Chase? You have a broad universe of choices. Think individual stocks, diversified exchange-traded funds, and even a selection of mutual funds. This variety allows you to build a portfolio that truly reflects your risk tolerance and long-term aspirations. It's about finding the right mix for your unique financial journey. Ready to dive in? Getting started with self-directed investing at Chase is quite simple. You can open an account online, and funding it is seamless if you already bank with Chase. Once your account is set up, take some time to define your financial goals and explore the research tools available. It's a journey that begins with a single, informed step. As you embark on this journey, remember a few key tips for success. Always start small, investing only what you're comfortable with. Diversify your investments across different sectors to spread risk, and most importantly, keep a long-term perspective. Self-directed investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and patience often yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.